what is going on, guys. I wanted to play around with these vacuum leaks a little more and see how the system can compensate for different size vacuum leaks. So let's start with a 10% duty cycle and see how the system responds to it. Doesn't really seem to care too much about that. Let's go up to 20%. It's able to compensate there for a 20% duty cycle vacuum leak. Let's take it up to 30%. Let's see if it can compensate for that. It's having a little trouble with, well, let's see. It seems like it's having a little bit of a harder time here compensating for that one. See, its switching's kind of slow there. Let's increase it to 40%. And so it looks like it can't compensate anymore, right? The fuel trim is kind of locked at 19.5%, and the O2 sensor is stuck lean. So again, if we were to add some gas to this, probably gotta add a lot of gas to compensate for that. Okay, it's not too happy about that. So let's bring it back down to 30 and see if it'll start switching a little bit. There it goes. But it's very slow. It's kind of being sluggish, so it's not great. I'm going to turn it off. Let's see what happens. Got stuck rich there, and now it's switching, and now it's happy again. Fuel trims are pretty much at 0 here. I thought that was pretty cool. I just wanted to show you that to you guys. Thanks for checking it out.